Hola, ¿qué tal? The verb to be has two forms in Spanish, ser and estar. For Spanish language learners, it can be a bit confusing to learn when to use ser and when to use estar, because in English there is only one form of the verb to be. Pay attention to all the different meanings the verb to be has in the following sentences. All of these sentences use the verb to be to express something different. Let's analyze how Spanish uses the two forms of the verb to be, ser and estar, to express different meanings. Estar. Use this verb to talk about location, position, emotion, condition, and action. Here is the conjugation chart of the verb estar in the present indicative. Listen and repeat after me. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Ella está. Usted está. Nosotros estamos. Vosotros estáis. Ellos están. Ustedes están. Use estar to talk about location. Use the conjugation chart to help you understand the sentences. El restaurante está en la calle 12. Use the verb estar to talk about position. El gato está detrás de la mesa. Use the verb estar to talk about emotion. La maestra está feliz. Use the verb estar to talk about condition. El chocolate está caliente. Use the verb estar to talk about action. Ellos están bailando. Ser. Use this verb to talk about description and characteristics, occupation, origin, time and date, and relationship. Here is the conjugation chart of the verb ser in the present indicative. Listen and repeat after me. Yo soy. Tú eres. Él es. Ella es. Usted es. Nosotros somos. Vosotros sois. Ellos son. Ustedes son. Ser. Use ser to talk about description and characteristics. Use the conjugation chart to help you understand the sentences. La mochila es verde. Use ser to talk about occupation. Mi esposo es electricista. Use ser to talk about origin. Yo soy de Colombia. Use ser to talk about time and date. Son las 3:30. Es domingo 16 de agosto. Use ser to talk about relationship. Erika es mi hermana. Muchas gracias. Chao.